Hey, what's up guys? We got an absolutely incredible video for you guys. What we've done is we've taken an old, horrible, trash ceramic sink that somebody just threw away, and we've turned it into a beautiful piece of architecture, a beautiful outdoor sink. This thing looks absolutely incredible. It's actually carved in the style of an old Portuguese style called Manuelino, and trust me guys, you're gonna love this video. We'll show you exactly how to do it. This thing actually cost to make about 50 bucks. It cost us to take it from the old ceramic sink that you saw earlier to turn it into this. So please subscribe on the YouTube and the Facebook, because this video guys, you don't want to miss it. So see you then. Bye.